This 2022 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3173 RLP is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, LP detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, leveling jacks, external shower, skylight, oven, auxiliary battery, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Astoria Platinum 3173 RLP is 9,909 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.